How to get in touch with KES. You can contact us through Amazon messaging. Go to your orders. Find the order for the product you have questions about. Click on Contact Seller. Follow the steps in the video. Write a detailed message with all your concerns. Click Send to submit your message. Also, you can scan the QR code on the packaging or manual. Use your smartphone to scan the QR code on the product packaging or manual. Enter your message. Tap Send to submit your message. We're here to assist you. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to contact